Mommy A, and this is Ashley. You say hi. Hi, you say hi. Ashley, you say hi. Welcome to our page. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is parang mukbang with my baby and with my partner. Actually, wala siya kasi kung sa baba, kumuha ng dito si Mel. So, yes. Join us with our mukbang. Actually, yung gagawin lang sana namin is question portion, pero nga lang ayaw ni partner na sumagot ng mga questions. So, andito kami ngayon sa Savica D Darts, Play, Sit, and Relax. So, yes, join us with our mukbang. There is hi. Hi. Say hi. Try kong gawin ng question portion. Pero kapag hindi siya sasagot, I may sabihin. Pero I'll try. So, dish natin ngayon is of course, wala yung rice, and also we have hotdog. Oh, malaking hotdog. And then also we have and hindi mawawala ang ating salad. And saka meron din kaming pickles, pero walang partner ko yung this is our secret. Ating na lang natin sa salad.
Di ba tumama? Sige.
Oh, come here na, come. Come here. Let's see. Pati lang mo mga. Come here.